Why newbies are always afraid of reversing? Because no one told there's a pattern to how you back up. Like how to reverse parking on a narrow road, how to avoid nose scratches when entering the warehouse on the side after the vehicle enters the storage space, how to adjust. Learn this video seriously today. Can help you solve these problems first. We must first understand the basic rules of reversing. If we go reverse in the direction of the left, and the rear of the car will turn left. If you hit the right direction, the rear of the car will go right. The front of the car veered to the left. We're going to go left and the front of the car will go right. If the front of the car deviates to the right, hit the right direction. The front of the car will turn left. In addition, let's talk about translation again. You see, if we're going to take the vehicle, translate from left library to right library. Do forward translation first. You can go to the right first and drive forward in the full direction. Then go to the left and continue forward in the full direction. So did the body come a little to the right? Then do reverse translation. I just talked about where I want the rear of the car to go. Which way to go? We're going to pour into the warehouse on the right. You can reverse the car in the full direction to the right first, then go left and continue to reverse in the full direction, so our vehicle can pan to the right. Understand these ideas. Let's look at the actual case of dumping. The vehicle drives forward first. Just see that our shoulders are about the same. Past the middle of the warehouse. First hit the full direction to the right and let the body swing to the left. I see the obstacle point on the left in the rearview mirror. You can park here. Is the rear of our car going to the left? It can only be put into the warehouse, so when you want to reverse the car in a full direction to the left, if you look in the right rearview mirror, we're getting closer to the car behind us. We can go a little further in the right direction, then go to the left and reverse in the full direction. I see our body parallel storage. Go back to the positive direction and reverse the car before it can be put into storage. After warehousing, if the distance difference between the two sides is relatively large, we can use translation. Adjust it forward and it can be put into storage. Next, let's look at the side warehousing. When encountering a narrow road depot, if you use the method taught by a driving school, reverse in all directions and the front of the car will definitely hit the guardrail. We can drive a little further. See our right B. The column position is almost aligned with the front of the car. Then go half a turn to the right and half a turn in reverse. The circle is to make the front of the car less to the left. Seen in the right rear view mirror. The front door handle coincides with the curb. Go left and hit the full direction. In this way, it can be put into storage smoothly. But many newbies when backing up, two things often happen. The first is that our direction was early when warehousing. After the parallel storage position of the body, the vehicle still has half a body outside the warehouse. In a situation like this, we can go a little further. Try to get as close to the vehicle in front as possible. Then go back a little to the right in the full direction. Then go left and continue to reverse in the full direction. By translating back and forth, can be adjusted in place. The other is that we are late in the direction. Rear wheel hits curb. The body can't be straightened. We also use the method of translation. Go a little further in the full direction to the right. Hit the left again and fall back. Repeating this operation can also be adjusted in place. Have you all learned?